We started talking with my colleagues in the other institutions about the possibility to use AVEVA XR, especially in our research and development activities. We discovered that this software was good for our R&D activities, but was also very powerful for the formation of our students.
We have several collaborations, in particular with Politecnico of Milano. In this university they are chemical engineers, while we are industrial chemistry.
He started in his institution to build up a new facility, and we started to build up our new facility on this side, also selecting different priorities. But at the end, we were surprised about the fact that the impact is in practice the same.
Our main goal is to be able to collect the experimental data on which the design of new processes must be approached. We have to work in lab in order to find and to define the models that will be used for our colleagues of Politecnico in particular, and then this is a strongly synergic collaboration.
We have the opportunity to use new immersive technologies for making students more involved and motivated, and for supporting them in exploring technology and science.
I really believe in the concept of learning by doing, and I think that AVEVA XR is the way students can see how systems react and can fix in their mind the concept that we have seen theoretically during the classes.
By using simulation science, it's easier to understand the theoretical aspects of the real experiment.
They study fluid dynamics, they study chemical plants design, they study optimization, but they actually don't get the chance to actually see a real plant so close as the way AVEVA XR brings to you.
Usually when you're a student, you are not able to see a real plant, particular plant of such dimensions, and being able to look a plant and also inside the operation unit of a plant, I found it very interesting.
I had the opportunity to climb up the distillation column and see all the plants and all its components, and was really interesting.
Every plant is different from the other one, so there are specific solutions dedicated to specific problems for each firm, each process. Accessing at least a part of this knowledge before going to work is something really useful, because we have an idea of what will be in the future.
When we learn something with this helpful instrument, we can share our information with international colleagues. I think that in this so virtualized and globalized world could be the best for the research.
It allows you to see your plant and your imagination, just so you can also understand what's going on with the operation that you need to perform on the plant itself. So it's a sort of connecting the work that you are performing.
For me, this is the future for us.
Now we are working on AVEVA XR, we are working with AVEVA Pro 2, we are working with AVEVA Dancing Simulation Suite, but we want to move fast towards the digitalization. So big data analytics, machine learning, decision-making process. And we know that the collaboration with AVEVA will provide to us other new solutions that can be integrated in our universities.